Hi, Sam here. I want to bring your attention to one stock that could make a significant move before September 1st. I'll give you the stock right now. It's ThreadUp, TDUP. If you haven't heard of ThreadUp, it's basically an online Goodwill, except the little wrinkle is that you only get paid when the clothes that you list on the marketplace sell. So that's not great for you, well, unless you're just dropping clothes off for free at Goodwill. But it's good for the platform, and that's good for us as investors because we invest based on earnings. Now, there's a couple of factors on ThreadUp TDUP that are very relevant. One is a competitor company, The Real, REAL, is also doing well, and that's good for this sector. And also, there was earnings from Q2, which also went well. Unusual for this earnings season to have a stock hold up on earnings and be strong. It is a lower price stock, so it is sensible that it's uncorrelated to the market, which has been going down the last few days. But without further ado, hit that subscribe button if you want to see us hit 1,000 subscribers. And let's jump into this technical analysis. This is the chart here. This is the earnings, and you can see that it held up and almost got up to the high volume. You see the significant volume here, close of the first earnings move. This is even more visible on a 1 hour chart. You can see that this is essentially the level we're talking about here, right? 10:40, the first day after the earnings, which were in the after hours, closed, and this is the volume. Since then, it sort of drifted down, come up, tempted us with that level, and it looks like it could hold. So not only is this a interesting sector, if you think that social commerce, if you think that online marketplaces are still an investable space, this is a publicly listed ticker that had solid earnings, held up on earnings, unlike a lot of companies like Netflix. Like, you could say that even SoFi, which looked like it was holding up on earnings, actually sold off. So a lot of these consumer-facing companies, Spotify as well, sold off on earnings. And although some of them are rebounding, they aren't an indicator that the market's particularly strong. We're seeing that with the SPY, which is not strong, sold off the last few days. So ThreadUp is a ticker, a publicly listed company that is consumer-facing, that is holding up. And I'll look a little bit at the volume now to give an indication of what you can enter with. So what I mean is, if this volume is 4 million and this is a $10 stock, that's 40 million a day. So you could put 4 million in this stock in a day at most. And if that's you, that's a good opportunity for you, which is why I have it on this channel. Now, there are some risk factors. If we zoom way out, we can see that this has been on quite a run since about April, 350%. It basically went sideways, though, when the market went up this entire time since after the 2022 crash. And the stock did crash with the market in 2022. So if the market starts to turn, I'm not saying that ThreadUp will be immune from that turn. What I am saying is that right now at this moment, it presents a really favorable risk reward opportunity, which is what we provide on this channel, where you can buy with a very low risk and have large reward to the upside of a few dollars or more, risking maybe yesterday's high of 20 cents or so. And that is the play for ThreadUp. I think there are some other stocks that are interesting longs in the market. I don't think there are that many at this exact moment in time. Palantir sold off, NVIDIA sold off. NVIDIA earnings are going to be the major indication of how strong the market is heading into Q3 and Q4. Traditionally, the market is slower in September. And then October, November, and December, it ramps up. If you want to talk about your portfolio, there's a link down below to selfadvisors.com. You can hop on a free call with myself. If you're interested in a $9 million day trading strategy, there is a free training available. I will log into the broker of that trader right now to verify his returns and also hand the mic over to him so he can talk about what it's like to make $30,000 in a day. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but you guys are awesome. Have a great day. Thanks for checking out this free training. I'm here with the lead sensei of the Aikido trading method, Adam Gert. I'm just going to log into his broker very quickly so you can see that his results are real. This is his Guardian broker. He does have more brokers than this, but you can see that he's made about $4 million net.
Yeah, Guardian's been a good broker for me. And in this quick video, I'm gonna show the viewer how to trade. Show him a little taste of the Aikido trading method, method that I've. So let's start with the times to trade. The best times I think to trade are on the pre-market and after hours. The stocks move differently than market hours because there's less traders at that time, and also you can do it in those hours, and it won't disrupt a day job or it won't disrupt things that you might want to do during the day. And let's take a look at some of the trades that I actually did today here. I'll share my screen. So these are some of my brokers here. They're all brokers that where you can short microcap stocks below 50 million market cap, nano cap and microcap. And here's a trade I did today. This is KTTA. So I made about close to $30,000 on this broker with this one. And I started out in the pre-market after the news hit at around 7 a.m. I shorted it, then I covered.
And if someone's interested in learning more, how can they reach out?
They can go to AikidotradingMethod.com and click on the free training, and there's some links on there where you can go and you enter your name and email address, and that actually goes to this video right here. What we'll do is we'll email you and tell you the next steps to learn more about the Aikido trading method.